I have scammed one person thrice in life with zero regret. और आज exactly 14 साल बाद he wants me to work again on his new company that is diversifying. So I had a teaching career right before I started this journey at Thinking Words. वो मेरा student था वो time पे. फिर उसने company start की. फिर वो मेरा फिर से client बन गया student से. From being a student to being a client, I think the journey has been very beautiful for both of us. So this student of mine, he's into mining. अभी आप basic principles की बात समझे. The moment you hear the word mining, जितने भी visuals दिमाग में आते हैं ना, वो एक जगह रख दो. Now think, can I create brand elements out of all the visuals that you can think of? And that is exactly what I did and created brand elements out of it. तो mining में तुमने ये observe किया होगा, right? ऐसे spirals बनते हैं, जिसमें ट्रक जाता है, प्रोड्यूस को लोड करता है और बाहर आता है. Now imagine if that is cut vertically, तो कैसा दिखेगा? It will start looking like a growth channel. अब ये कंपनी का नाम क्या है? मान माइनिंग. अब वो जो ग्रोथ का चैनल दिख रहा है, इतना सारा ना करके सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 steps लिए, that becomes M, which also shows in a way growth, which also becomes the letter M, which is now conceptual, meaningful, that you as a brand owner love to talk about. You know what? My logo, my identity is created out of a concept. अब तू है ना ध्यान से सुन, तेरे को माइनिंग का टेंडर मिला है, तो प्रोसेस ये है कि देयर इज अ वे टू फिगर आउट वेयर टू स्टार्ट डिगिंग. यू गो ऑन अ एक्सप्लोरेशन राइड कि भाई कहाँ खुदाई की जा सकती है. अब वो इतना बड़ा लैंड पार्सल है, उसको एक्सप्लोर किया तो मालूम पड़ा अरे यहाँ खोदना चाहिए. यू स्टार्ट डिगिंग, यू गेट द प्रोड्यूस आउट. अब तुम्हारा काम हो गया क्या? नहीं. You have to make it fertile again. That's called reclamation. So that the generation, मतलब तू तो मर जाएगा ना, पर तेरे मरने के बाद जो आने वाली जनरेशन है, उसको भी तो उसके fruits चाहिए ना. And that is exactly the entire process of mining. So this is exactly what I did for their entire application throughout the branding. क्योंकि यार mining वालों के लिए application बहुत अलग होती है, hospitality वालों के लिए बहुत अलग होती है, D2C brand के लिए बहुत अलग होती है. So you need to really understand कि कौन सी इंडस्ट्री है, उनके consumers कौन है, and what are they actually going to look at. We compiled that and added the entire brand language to it just to get the right structure, the last missing puzzle of any branding, right? So when you look at the visuals and if you think that it gives you a feeling that I can trust this company, I can rely on these guys, I think I have done a great job. And this is exactly what you need to get translated for what you as a company stand for, what you believe in and what you offer. And I think change is the only constant in life. So if you're evolving, if you're changing, just show that. His name is Moinder Pal Singh Maan.